Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Learn Tajweed the easy way. What is Tajweed? The word Tajweed means to improve, to make something better. Tajweed of the Holy Quran is the knowledge and application of the rules of recitation so that you can recite the Quran the way the Prophet ﷺ recited. To learn Tajweed in an easy and practical way, we advise you to use our Read Al-Quran course where Tajweed is built in. While watching Read Al-Quran videos, your focus should not be on how to read letters or words because you know already how to read, but how to make sure that you recite those letters, words, and the verses correctly. Lessons 1 to 12 teach you the pronunciation of the letters, that is the makharij, articulation or pronunciation, and sifat, the attributes. You can also learn how to write the letters, which will be of great help in recognizing and learning more of the Quran. Lessons 13 to 37 focus on how to say the words properly using different harakat like fatha, kasra, zabar, zair, and so on. Lessons 38 till 50 focus on remaining important rules of Tajweed like Lam al-Jalala, rules of Mim Sakina, or Ra, or Nun Sakina, and so on. In these videos, you get to practice and repeat more than 300 words that occur 40,000 times in the Quran. That is 50% of the Quranic words. Reading correctly will give you joy and fervor in you as you get closer to divine revelation. After learning this course, you will be well versed with the makharij, sifat, and the rules of Tajweed. However, we strongly recommend that you sit with a teacher and recite the words of the book, this Read Al-Quran book, and then the Quran for direct feedback. If you don't get any teacher, then you can visit our website understandquran.com to enroll for one-to-one online teaching. Inshallah, you will find this course simple, interesting, and easy to learn and to teach it to others. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.